In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an existing domain to your Wix site. We'll walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring everything's clear and simple. So let's dive in and get your domain linked seamlessly to your shiny new website. First, you'll want to be logged into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate to your Wix dashboard. This is your command center where you manage all your site settings and features. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with various options. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you'll find the option to connect your domain. Within the settings menu, you'll see a section labeled Domains. This is your next stop. Click on Domains, and it will guide you to a page where you can either buy a new domain or connect an existing one. Since we're focusing on the latter, select the option to connect an existing domain. You'll now be prompted to enter the domain you own. Carefully type in your domain name in the space provided. It's crucial to enter it correctly to avoid any errors later on. Once you're sure it's accurate, you'll proceed by confirming your action. After entering your domain, you'll need to update your DNS settings at your domain registrar. This is perhaps the most technical part of the process, but don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Your domain registrar is essentially where you purchased your domain. Log into your account with them and find the section for DNS management. This process might vary slightly depending on your registrar, so if you're unsure, look for help guides or support within their website. Here, you'll swap out your current name servers with the Wix name servers. Name servers basically serve as translators, connecting your domain to various web resources including your Wix site. Wix will provide these name servers for you, and you'll just need to input them accurately into your registrar's settings. Once you've updated the DNS records to reflect the Wix name servers, keep in mind that DNS changes can take a bit of time to propagate throughout the internet. Sometimes it might be immediate, but other times it can take up to 48 hours. During this period, your website may intermittently connect and disconnect with your domain, but this is perfectly normal. And there you have it, a fully connected domain with your Wix site. Give it a little time to settle, and soon enough, your visitors will be seamlessly directed to your stunning new website. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Wix has an excellent customer support team and resources to help you along the way. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.